the grave. Please make way, don't block the passage. Us do their job as we make our way down to the grave.
Tunuulira abantu bonna abali mu mmoomenya abakali singa maama abadde omulaba batwengejja badde bamwagala. Nakusuba nnyo.
Thank you very much.
Twenzize nnyo.
Continue your legacy
Tujja kwongerayo okukula okwo
to love people
okwagala abantu
and to serve God.
ate mukuweereza Katonda.
And personally,
Nze ng'omuntu
I'm making a pledge today.
neeyama olwaleero
Mommy has always told me about a few days before we passed on.
wamami tennaba kufema kutono mabega
She was always telling me,
yali aŋŋamba
Michael Kuze,
Michael, you go.
Lekera will change you.
Stop being naughty.
There are two things that she used to point out that I should change. Today, I think I'm going to start to change most of those things. And I know wherever you are, you'll continue to be proud of me and all these people here.
Do you know why the death of the dead? Do you know why the death of the dead? The born against death of the dead. However much you pray, you can't change anything. Whatever you need to change, the change of God. You have to decide to and after,
wano obufudde budde mu nnyanja n'obula obufudde bunyonyi n'ojja wena n'ogwawo kirikadde tuyina wano saala yeri atuleegera tukulaba atulaba yenyera okulaba munyerera alegera yasobola okulaba sentaawo z'obuweereza abakati awo yatulaba era talibindide ebigaso ebyo betubindide era nnyo okulaba ng'oli wano olwaleero omuweereza omusinkako n'ebigambo ebyogera osalawo gyolaga ng'okyali wano sara yafudde obuweereza obuvuddemu bubbi abalowe tebafa abalowolire bakabwegasi ekikeko mu ngalo abawo ne tufa empera y'ekiiko okufa etwalibwa etwalukuka ebyamulize abasigaze omubiko gati afudde naye nga ye afudde ngobbi mukama betalina omukisa n'ebigambo ebyo amin olumbe lukyaliwo olumbe olwagwa ne batukola kiagera ku sibitalo bagamba batya nti akajagala kanaga ekyogera batya ekigwe alyaluma kasa kiganda ya olwo erinnya
even though we should give name, please have mercy.
This is love. This is love. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for loving us. Thank you for being there for us. Thank you for comforting us. Thank you for upholding us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. From the day Sarah left me,
experience
I spoke about that experience the other day.
She went
before she slept. The last thing she said, she held me. From the hospital, she said that I'm fine. And she told me, Daddy,
Thank you.
Weebale nnyo
Listen, go to the hospital.
okuuka kugenda mu ddwaliro. Nambuuza okimanyi nti nkwagala.
Abakudda ngulu.
The next time she woke up, she was fighting with life until she woke up, and I thought she was sleeping. By the time the ambulance reached home, what would have found?
Before that,
Nga temunnabaawo. She was coming from ministry from Pastor Tal.
Out of bondage.
He has a ministry called Out of Bondage. He's our son. He is our son. And money was coming from his ministry. He was alive. On Saturday, she was with Pastor Mugembe. She rejoiced. They got videos of her dancing. I didn't go to the concert. I didn't to ask about money. But when money went, I never asked where Daddy was. All the times I left and traveled on missions. I have been such a missionary moving everywhere. And the children knew it. But when they were with Sarah, they would not mind. But when mommy would travel, they would ask, when is mommy coming back? For me, they didn't ask when I'm coming back. Except to carry the suitcases and see what I bought for them.
When it comes to asking that, when they are
with money, they were with the whole house. Like I said, I never imagined that I would escort Sarah. As we kept on talking about conversations, I would show her that she would be the one to escort me. I think for the man to die fast. She said she wanted to live up to 90 years. I don't want to inconvenience people. I want to be strong. In 1 month we walked around here. Up to the place where we're going to lay her. Just the two of us holding her. And I told her, let's go and see a place here where we can rest. And she's like, let's not argue so much, that place. Yes. And then we left.
1 month.
Mwezi gumwe mabega.
If not less.
That's when we came down here. She had told me that when we go, we should go to Muduma.
So, the
people of Kanyanda, you will forgive me. You are not able to take Sarah to Kanyanda. This is what she decided. She wanted to come here. And because we thought we'd live longer, she said, let's build here. That's what we are building there. So that when we come, we can rest there, but she didn't wait for it. In that way she has gone. I bless the Lord. On the other hand, much sorrow and pain and sorrow, I thank the Lord.
Sarah has been a faithful wife.
Sarah
has been a faithful man. I don't think some people knew. Our family Java,
is the family where she was coming from. Because when you grow up with someone, you may not understand them well. Because they are in the normal side. Just like the people that are when I get there, they go Chimuri. Towards Tewa, I am Chimuri. It's Chimuri. But even in Guatiro, they only know Sarah.
Very unfortunately,
Chakabi knew that most times you get to know
this
about
Miss Sarah
has
an impact.
She has done a big impact.
A
big impact.
Yeah.
A big impact. One thing I can say, when we used to work together, German, Finland, and everywhere, we would meet barren women. And she would tell me, I want to start a ministry called Hannah. The person that bothered her most we found in Germany. Because she was barren, she preferred to walk with the dog. And every time she would pray, she would be crying. She would pray and cry. Then that woman gave her. The other one was a pastor. We asked them to visit us and church, we had so much strength. She was never weak. Her body was still strong. And I would ask her, are you sure you're not changed you? With so much strength,
I want to play with your wife back.
So pastors, Tony, let's go aside. Let's go for them. I mean, it's the conference. After praying, please be busy now that we are praying for you. That's a good thing, and they Mommy told me the ministry would work, so let's go. For the long time I've been with Sarah, we never prayed before. 11, she will be praying for the hand. Midnight, she will be taking CBMI watch prayer. And I want to tell you, one of the postmortem.
She had an enlarged heart. So, attention to the John Hyde.
And I had that about John Hyde. He prayed
because of travailing prayer.
His
heart enlarged. And the doctors warned him to stop praying. They told him he would die in 2 years. And he refused to stop and he died. So they were told me
when they said it, I just knew.
This woman has been praying for people. For pastors and pastors who don't. Pastors in crisis. Ekisenge kyaffe kibabeera ky'amazzi galaze mugobako obusomi n'abagenda ku mubiri. Ate mukusoma yakuyikira ku nze naye n'ansukkako. Kati nengana okuzuukuka ngangwako. Kyasaba nangwako. Ngasala kinagamba olina okuzuukuka. Kyagala kuzannya. Kitanja asobola okunonera wano.
The enemy will come for you now. When you will pray.
ng'asabira abaana bonna bajjayo kumakya
all the children.
abaana nga bakyali nga tuyingira kisenge ku kisenge tugenda kubaterako emikono
She would hold my hand
abagererako atugerera
and then we lay hands and speak over the children.
She was a woman of prayer.
Abadde mukazi wa kusaba.
A woman of prayer, prayer warrior.
Nakwaniyo mu kusaba.
Asabira abantu bewaabwe nga tebamanyi.
She would pray for her family without
Ate
the
n'enyakukinya.
name by name.
Nga zawotegerera abazadde abantu ababeewa.
That's how I knew some of the people.
Aba Richard, tusabire Beeka, tusabire Beero, bonna bakosea.
All of them.
N'amala n'akwata abewaffe.
Then she would get to my family.
Tusabire Teteewo, tusabire ne Madiina waliwo akamyufu. Nali yali tayagala beebake. Nali Madiina ekyalonda.
Dina is praying for the community to
Sebo
know.
tusaba ekiro.
And we prayed in the night.
Madiina ayitewo.
So that Madina can
Era
go.
Madiina akamyufu n'akayitamu kawempe kalusuubiko. Era aliyo Madiina.
I don't want to go back to my bedroom.
Agambye abantu nti enju yange nagitegeka akantu akayero mulamu yateeka.
I told people
under investigation.
I've gazetted my house.
Nagifulumya ku malyango ensi.
I went out now that she's away.
Sisobola kubanga buli kimu kyatula omwenda basaa.
I can't go back because everything reminds me of her.
Agenda endabirawo yaffe aziniramu amazina ng'ekuteraku music n'azina.
I'll put music and she
N'alaga
would dance.
strokes kyo z'amuyigiriza.
And she would show me strokes that Theo was teaching her.
Nga byonna abikola.
She would do everything.
Omukyala musanyufu nnyo.
She was such a jolly woman.
Abadde support system yange.
She was my support system.
Abadde my spoiling woman nga spoilinga.
She was spoiling me.
Nga nyiga omutwe n'akola ki n'agamba ebigere wayimiridde nnyo alete oyo.
She would massage my feet because I stand a lot.
So, no, simanyi. Nabiziresa ameka ayagala kumpa kyakunywa.
It doesn't matter how late I would get home. She
Emmeeza
would
yange singawula gamba buli kiseera aleeta nokusu n'aleeta ekirala n'aleeta ekirala.
She kept on bringing different things for me to
Ate
eat.
Sarah had something that I don't know.
Sarah abadde alina ekintu kye simanyi.
Nga baba tagenda nange ku makya
If she was not going with
What
me,
is happening?
she would get my bag
n'afulumya paka ku moto.
and she would escort me to the car.
Bwe nkomawo
When I come back,
ajja ku motoka.
she would come to the car
Ebirala baana basuubiza ye ajjamu ensawo.
and then she would get the bag.
N'akikola for all the years.
She did it all the years.
So this woman
Omukyala ono,
yabagamba nze nina ebintu byange
I have my things,
ati yali yakibulyako nyeraga dadi tayambala saati ng'enyogoga.
and she used to preach about them that it does not wear clothes.
Nakolera kafikabeera nkumbi mu kikulukuulu.
The ironing board was near
Esaati
alone.
nina okwambala eyokya
I had to wear it when it is still hot.
nakwata kunkuye zange.
But she would make sure she irons it
Teri mwana
herself.
ategeera bintu byange.
No one understands my things.
Nange ebintu byange sibitegeera.
I don't even understand my own things.
Yabimanyi.
She knew them.
Simanyi nakugulawo nnyumba y'ewaffe.
I don't know how to open the
Well,
house.
gate.
I don't know how to open the gate.
Wano. Bade simanyi.
I didn't know.
Omuzo era tubadde tunakunoonya.
We had to really look to know where the things were. She knew everything.
So, somebody,
Sarah,
I don't know.
simanyi.
I didn't expect this.
Mbadde sikisuubira.
Naye I've learned one thing.
Naye nina kinjize.
In this journey, Sarah,
Mu lugendo luno,
abaami abaliwo.
the husbands here,
Omwami, siwulira nti Sarah
I don't feel like Sarah
agenza mangi.
has gone
No,
demanding anything from me.
no,
No,
kalaka mangi.
she owes me nothing. He owed her nothing.
Mwagadde.
I have loved her.
Yeah. I know that I know how to love.
Nkimanyi nti mmanyi okwagala.
So mwagadde.
I have loved her.
Tambudde naye.
I've walked with her.
Namugamba abaana banaava mu nju.
I told her that when the
Nawe
children
ebiro
grow,
ebitukola tubifiirako ng'abasajja alina okola faamu nene, nokola ki.
there are things
Okumaliza
that
mukyalo
we
musanyusa
insist on.
emunayi.
And before you know which you've not
Namukoze
just
bukozi bintu.
you've only worked hard.
Naye namugamba you have to invest in my love.
I told her ngenda kusiga okwagala kwange gy'oli.
Nga bwe mba ntambudde nga sitambudde naawe,
When I travel without you,
nojjano n'entebe
and you come
olina
and
okujja ne
sit here,
case
you have to come with the
situuka
suitcase.
akabaana tutambula.
And don't go home for the
Mukwano
children
gwaffe.
to set up in our lives.
You have to book a hotel.
We're not booking a hotel.
Gyatuukira hotel.
And that is where I was. Then I spend like 4 days.
Nga tugende embaala batutawana.
And I tell her, let's go to the children to mess us up.
Era ng'akyogera daddi.
She would say it, Daddy.
Ekimu kye kyazijja mu kusula mu nnyumba z'abantu ebulaaya.
That is why I never slept in people's houses.
Abagambira ssente.
I told them if you can't afford it,
n'essente zange zinasula mu hoteri.
I'll come with my money.
Kubeera mu bamukyala wange mu nnyumba yamuntu nga ennyumba z'abazugu olina okutambulira ku bigere tozuukuka atolekako ttaala. Nnyumba za mbaawo okutambula nga zikawaka. Michael wakabudinga right. We had you.
Yakuulidde wabadde okola kyekiro ebyo mabisibyanga.
Bampuliriza nga ne mukyala wange. Abazungu bakulabulaga. Balina obulamu bwabwe. Ani ayegula okugera ku bazungu? Bajja kungulira banti nwe. Tobola ngavudde ku bizungu tebampiira. Ate olavumye. Ate nga tuli mu ddumba ekalimaji. Nguma gwe kwaffe bagulira. Never about Mukama. We enjoyed life. Lwaki njagala ngenda mu Finland mission.
I told her I wanted to go with her to the Finland mission. On the 4th time,
I have my coordinator, very lovely man called Yoma. We are going to Sweden to see your brother. Jeff. Nangenda uwe flame nga tutukira Stockholm. Nangamba we use a boat. Nangamba ise no boat. Iyo bantu ngani mubira mu rooms
So big with rooms
you free shops.
and shops.
And
I told her I have to come back with her. And the next time I told her we are going together, you're not preaching, but you're going to the boat. Cruise that goes through all the night. The dancing hall. He said, you might also dance. But I was not remembering those dance shows. When we came back, I asked her to teach me how to dance because so we learned how to dance. And that's how we also learned to swim in Switzerland. We came back here at Silver Springs to learn how to swim. And she learned me because I feared the water. She learned. She really loved to discover. She would tell me, let's take the train, but I fear. She would get lost, but still board the train. So when we are together like that,
so we have had a good life.
Not so many things,
I believe I invested in
but my child a great conviction.
Had
I been mean to her, had I not been giving her my money, I was not just giving him nice package. She would tell me she wants to do a price of 300,000. I would really want that. And then she would make meals every week. It would take time. But I had to learn what then I would call her video call and repeat lipstick.
naye ebintu ebimu nga biteekako lisitiiti ategere kyemugulu kyo kyabbeeyi okusinga ekyana
I will put a receipt
naye
on it
biteekawo awabe
so that she could see how much I've spent.
kubanga mukama yatugamba twagale bakyala baffe nga yesu
Because the Lord told us
that we will go to the cross for them. So I'm not postponing creating memories where possible. Kubanga memories zenzirira negamba naye mukama kwebaza nti I have managed to do this. Mukama yebazibwa. Bagamba nti engeri train mugakale train alikitegeerereyo lwaki
when she says train, I will walk the train, she will get to know.
lwankayane train
Why should I actually
kati ntegedde
then she will
train
train
negoogedde
say, hey, no, you're not.
kimanyiriza ensonga simukane
She knew that I would not argue.
obudde bwokuwakana mumalezi omunatula north ate nga nesagala ennyumba eri gulume
I didn't want to leave the house.
life of smile
Obulamu bwange bwakumenya.
njawulinga ennyumba eri gulume
I feel bad when the house is gloomy.
n'abaana mukyala abaagadde
Even the children, Sarah's not there.
attachment yabadde nabo biseera ntya
She had a big attachment to them as a
samwoyo ngalinga atakula
She would have
naze
Sarah
mugamba abaana bakuze baleke
tell them the children are grown up, leave them,
baliko okubeera abakulu
let them learn to be on their own.
naye nga bodabodaboda bakalu babibyane balibeera batakula
It's like they would not grow up.
ngasitwekinga nagenda mu baana ba jeefu n'abasabira
She would pray for Jeff's children.
jeefu ono yali alwala ng'abanga bawala naye ng'omulenzi
Pastor Jeff had
amutawaana teyamubedde
Yasobola okwesiga Pastor Goodness Church tubadde mu okuziikirako omusumba Michael Kimuli. Twebaza Mukama olw'obuweereza bwa Saara akoze omulimo obuweereza naffe bwe twali tetuwulirangako ng'obuweereza bwa Hana. So twebaza Mukama olwa famire bagumye kuba ekkanisa mubiri gwa Kristo gubabeereddewo ennaku nnya naffe temukyatulaba ku Good News tuli sayidi zeeno ne mukyala wange ali sayidi zeeyo naye bajja kuteeka mu kamera. Abantu abagaa nti abalokole tetuli wamu ndowooza mukiraba, buli musumba buli bishopu buli bumu ffenna tuli wano, naye tusaba ekkanisa eya CDMI n'amaka ga Apostle Michael Kimuli Mukama yeyongera okubagumya n'okuziba ekituli mu linnya lya Yesu. Amen.
If you have such authority, osooka tubuulira olukiiko lwammwe naye Katonda lwaliwo nga mmeka bwe yali ng'amuleeta. You first tell us when was your meeting with him planning her coming on earth. Olaba ne maama we amuzaala teyamanya ekiro lwe yagwa mu lubuto. Even the mother who pushed her out never knew the night she entered into her